Bring up this 1972 HeatController window air conditioner.
How many BTUs is it?
9,000.
Right there.
Oh, I see it.
9,000. And we are going to fire it up. It has a Tecumseh AK 240 volt model.
Made in Jackson, Michigan. And we're getting ready to turn it on now.
Start up the fan.
Low fan. Oh god, these knobs are hard to turn.
It's because you're reaching it from all the way over there.
Oh yeah. Yep.
And is it possible we can take this out?
What, the screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We can access the compressor. Now we can access.
All right, I'm gonna put it in between speeds if this clicks. I don't think it clicks, so we're just gonna go for it. Here we go.
Go for it.
YOLO.
It's missing the ventilation knob.
It's getting hot out here. It's starting to get cold. Put it in between.
Surging it. Kind of a heavy heat load over here.
Alright, let me get in here. You take a look.
Oh yeah, that's a full charge, I think.
Smooth runner for sure. Nice and cool. It definitely has a full charge.
And it's over 50 years old.
1972.
Just needs a phone call.
This thing just needs
Shutdown. Compressor just kicked off.
Let's shut it off, I guess.
And there's your fan.
Beautiful.
Aside from that and the compressor, this unit is almost in mint condition. The motor's in good shape too. Spins freely still. Great bearings on this one.
Heck, the wiring diagram's still there too.
A little bit faded, but
It's there.
more present than most units of this age. That'll be it.